Here's the quick rundown of today's top stories. Tuesday, March 25th. Only ICC can order Duterte's release. Hague court spokesperson says. International Criminal Court, or ICC spokesman Fadi El Abdallah, stated in a virtual interview that only ICC judges can order a suspect's release, declining to comment on Supreme Court petitions challenging the former president's arrest. The Duterte camp plans to question the arrest's legality before the ICC's pretrial chamber, aiming to dismiss charges on procedural grounds. However, legal experts argue this will not stop the trial. Former Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio clarified that even if a suspect was illegally arrested by a surrendering state, the ICC still retains jurisdiction and will proceed with the case. China denies Duterte applied for asylum prior to ICC arrest. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Guo Jiakun denied that former President Rodrigo Duterte tried to seek asylum in China, but was denied before he was arrested under an ICC warrant on crimes against humanity of murder. Mr. Duterte's visit to Hong Kong was a private vacation trip, the official said in a press conference. We have never received the so-called application for asylum to the Chinese government from former President Rodrigo Duterte or his family, he added. According to reports, the former president tried to seek asylum in China, but was denied and forced to return home to Manila, where he was arrested on the basis of the ICC warrant enforced by the International Criminal Police Organization, or Interpol, and the Philippine National Police, or PNP. Duterte's defense team at ICC will have a Pinoy lawyer, but no shortlist yet. VP Sara says. While former President Rodrigo Duterte's defense team at the ICC will include a Filipino lawyer, Vice President Sara Duterte said that they have not shortlisted anyone yet. Duterte, currently in The Hague, stated on Monday that they are still finalizing a shortlist of Filipino lawyers for her father's ICC defense team. She emphasized the need to follow due process in forming the legal team as he faces crimes against humanity charges. She explained that delays are due to pending documents for some lawyers, which must be completed before assembling the team. Once finalized, she will introduce the appointed lawyers to her father, her siblings, and his common-law wife. Philippine vessels are not blocked by Chinese ships in Bajo de Masinloc, PCG says. The Philippine Coast Guard, or PCG, clarified that Philippine vessels were not intercepted by Chinese ships in Bajo de Masinloc, Scarborough, or Panatag Shoal on Monday, contrary to reports that surfaced online. Commodore J. Eala, PCG spokesperson for West Philippine Sea, said PCG and Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources vessels were delivering fuel subsidies to fishermen around 30 nautical miles from Bajo de Masinloc. The reason why those BFAR vessels are in stationary is because we have been delivering fuel subsidies to the 26 Filipino fishing boats that are present in the vicinity of Bajo de Masinloc, Eala said in an online briefing. Alex Eala barges into Miami Open quarters. Alex Eala marched into the quarterfinals of the 2025 Miami Open without breaking a sweat after her fourth-round opponent, world number 10 Paula Badosa, withdrew due to lower back injury. Eala faces her biggest opponent so far in her young tennis career after arranging a quarterfinal date with five-time Grand Slam champion and world number 2 Iga Swiatek at the 2025 Miami Open. Eala and Badosa were slated to play Monday, March 24th, Tuesday morning in Philippine time, after coming off hard-earned wins in the third round. Eala stunned reigning Australian Open champion Madison Keys 6-4, 6-2, while Badosa needed a medical timeout early in her match before surviving Danish world number 20, Clara Tauson 6-3, 7-6, 3. Stay updated with the latest news. Visit our website at www.mb.com.ph or follow us on social media. Thanks for tuning in to the Manila